In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to edit your app in Base44 using visual edit mode. If you're building or refining an app in Base44, visual edit mode is the fastest way to make on-page changes without digging through complex settings. Make sure you're signed in and have access to the workspace that contains your app. Then open the Base44 dashboard in your browser. From the main dashboard, head to the apps area. You'll find all the projects you can work on here. If you manage multiple apps, feel free to use search or filters to quickly narrow things down so you're sure you're opening the right one. Next, select the app you want to edit. This takes you to the app's overview, where you can access building and preview tools. Look for Visual Edit and open it. Visual Edit loads a live preview of your app inside the editor, so you can see exactly what your users would see while you work. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can focus on outcomes rather than configuration. Once the preview is open, hover your mouse over the page to highlight different parts of the interface. Click the exact section you want to change, like a headline, a button, an image, or a container. If you need to adjust a whole section instead of a single item, select the parent element so your change applies to everything inside it. With the element selected, choose Edit Element. This brings up the editing interface where you can describe what you want. Here's where Visual Edit shines. You can type a prompt in plain language like change the headline to a shorter, friendlier version, or make this button say get started and switch it to a primary style. The more specific you are, the better the result. Mention text, color, size, spacing, or alignment if you need them changed. Keep your instructions clear and focused on one area at a time for the smoothest updates. After you submit your prompt, give the system a moment to process. You'll see a brief loading state, and then the preview updates with your change. Review it closely to confirm it looks right and reads well. If it's not quite what you expected, refine your prompt and try again. You can repeat this process for other parts of the page, working your way through text, imagery, and styling with quick, targeted edits. Before wrapping up, scan the page at a glance to ensure consistency and readability across sections. That's the complete flow for editing your app using visual edit mode in Base44. Keep iterating, keep your prompt specific, and you'll move fast with confidence. That is all, and see you guys in the next one.